G'day, it's Woody from Lightforce. Let's take a look at the LED headlight upgrade kits. The Lightforce LED headlight upgrade kits fit directly into your factory headlight assembly. This is the must-have plug-and-play solution to get the most out of your factory headlights. At a color temperature of 4000 Kelvin, these upgrades ensure correct color rendering, which means you can clearly see objects down the road, as well as reducing eye fatigue. The CAN bus compatible drivers means the new LEDs will integrate seamlessly with your vehicle, and they won't cause any issues with your vehicle's factory electrical systems. Installation is just as easy as changing the bulb. You remove the old globe and disconnect the factory wiring harness. Insert the new LED bulb, connect the driver to the bulb, and connect the factory wiring harness. Just have a look at these before and after shots for both the high and the low beam. Clearly a significant improvement. To find the right upgrade kit for your vehicle, head to lightforce.com.